Hello there, my friends. This came up for me and I thought that I might share it with you because you might be having the same difficulty. So I just got this new iPhone and I wanted to use my wireless earbuds with it, right? Just JLab Pro Air. Thing with Bluetooth devices, especially ones that don't have a screen, you never know what they're connected to. So I could not figure for the life of me what these JLabs were connected to until I figured it out. They were connected to this Fire tablet, this Amazon tablet. So, turned off the Bluetooth settings there. So now it shouldn't be connected to anything. So swipe down, turn Bluetooth on. Actually, go ahead and press Bluetooth, then press it again, and then hit Bluetooth settings. Now this comes up. Apparently this comes up on a lot of people's iPhones. And apparently it's a selfie stick or a way to remotely take a picture with your iPhone. So it comes up on everybody's devices, I guess. So in order to get this to detect, in order for this to be detected by this, I have to take the earbuds out of the case. So this should show up here as JLab Go Air. And of course, now that I'm saying that, it's not. Ah, it did. Okay, great. So if I click on JLab Go Air, it should say connected, and it does say connected. Great. So now I can use these and play music through my earbuds, or I can have a phone conversation. So let's see. So it says not connected. Take them out. Connected. All right. So that's it. Basically, I was having trouble because these had previously been connected to another device and I did not disconnect them from that device. Very important note. So good to know on both ends of these particular brands if you're having the same trouble. Give me a comment if you have trouble with this sort of thing. If this helped you, hit like, please. And I post every day, so go ahead and smash the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll get my latest videos. Have a great day. See if you can do something nice today for somebody without getting caught.